In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make page numbers in Microsoft Word appear in the X of Y format, like page 1 of 2. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. It can be a new blank document or an existing one. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you've finished most of your content, because page numbering works best once your document structure is mostly in place. Next, we're going to move into the header or footer area, since that's where page numbers usually live. At the top of Word, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Look for the section labeled Header and Footer. Here you'll see options for header, footer, and page number. Click on Page Number. A menu will appear, giving you choices for where to place the numbers, such as at the top of the page, bottom of the page, or in the page margins. Choose the general location you prefer. For example, if you want page 1 of 2 at the bottom center, hover over bottom of page. Then pick a simple style like plain number 2, which centers the number. Don't worry if it only shows a single number for now. We're going to customize it. Once the page number is inserted, Word automatically opens the header or footer editing mode. You should see a tab at the top called Header and Footer with additional options. While you're in this mode, click again on Page Number and then choose Format Page Numbers. A dialog box will open. Here you can choose how the number looks, such as 1, 2, 3, or I, E, E. Select your preferred format, usually the default 1, 2, 3, and confirm that the numbering starts at 1 unless you need something different. Click OK to close that box. Now we'll turn that simple number into the X of Y format. In the footer or header area, click right before the existing page number and type the word page, followed by a space. Then, after the number, type a space, the word of, and another space. So it reads, page 1 of. To make the Y part, which is the total number of pages, go back to the Insert tab. Choose Quick Parts or the Field option, then select Field. From the list, pick Num Pages. This tells Word to automatically display the total number of pages in the document. Click OK, and you'll now see something like Page 1 of 5. When you're done, click Close Header and Footer, or double-click back in the main document area. Scroll through your pages to confirm that each one updates correctly, showing Page 2 of 5, Page 3 of 5, and so on. If you later add or remove pages, Word will update the total automatically, so you don't need to change anything manually.